Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this PR package I got from Born Pretty, and I'm going to be using it to create a set. I'm going to be creating another press-on set today, and I'm also going to be doing it in my size, because like I said, I already have models to use these days. I just do the presents for myself and I use it later on. They usually pack their gel polish bottles in this bubble wrap like material to prevent it from breaking, and none of the gel polish that has been sent to me has ever broken since I've been getting one from them. So let's start opening each of the items to see what they look like. So this is their improved metallic painting gel. It's silver in color because I chose silver, and they wanted me to try it out because it's a new improved one. So I said, why not? I can give it a try. And then I got I got a black gel polish to use it because I just felt that the silver metallic painting gel will go nice on a black gel polish. And I also got some 9D cat eye magnetic gel polish that I'll be using as well. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Adimido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician slash nail YouTuber based in Canada. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more content like this. Also, kindly watch this video to the end and let me know your thoughts about the set I'll be creating with these items I received as a PR package. My upload days are every Sunday or every 2 weeks on a Sunday as well. I'll be leaving the links to these products I'm unboxing in my description box. You can click on them to view them on the Born Pretty website. They come in different colors. So many colorful ones, so you can get any one you want from the Born Pretty website. You can also use my discount code, this Glitterspolish, to get some discount of any items you'll be purchasing from the Born Pretty website. The last time I got a black gel polish from Born Pretty website was a black bottle gel polish, and I decided to get a white one this time so I can see if there's any difference between them. So today I will be creating a black set, a black press-on set, like I said earlier, in this tutorial. And I don't really like black gel polish because I believe I'm black. Black gel polish doesn't really suit me, but I've seen some dark skinned people as well that use black gel polish, and it really comes out nice. So I've already picked my nail size, and I've applied the base coat already, and I've cured them for 60 seconds before I start applying the black gel polish on the nails. One coat was actually okay, but I just wanted it to be a little bit pigmented, and that's why I will go over it 2 times. And I was trying to make sure that I don't have excess of gel polish on the side, on the nail tips. That's why I keep going over it and over it and over it again, because it is press-on set, and if you have excess gel polish on it, it tends to kind of lift from the nail tips, and that's why you see me going over it and over it again. So I'm taking the nail tip off from the set to give you people like a closer look to what the black really looks like. I don't know if you can see very well. The black is one coat can be okay for someone else, but like I said, I decided to go for two coats. So I'll be doing 2 coats. I'll cure the first coat for 60 seconds before I do the second coat. I don't know, I did not really have a clear idea of what I was going to do on the press-on set, but I just decided to go with the flow, whatever comes to my mind. I tried a design first, and I didn't like the way it came out. It was a little bit crowded with nail art, so I decided to switch what I wanted to do on this set in my mind. So let's just watch. I won't be talking all the way to the end of this video because it's a little bit long. I can't be talking for the next 15 minutes. So kindly watch this video to the end. Let me know your thoughts about the set I'll be creating, and like I said, if you like any of these items I'm using today, kindly click on their links in the description box to go to the Born Pretty website to get them. I'll be leaving the link in my description box. If you notice my video today is a little bit brighter, since I relocated to Canada, I've been looking for a way to get enough lighting for my recording, but the ones I've bought in the past, I didn't like the outcome, so I decided to try something different, but not even as expensive as the last one I bought. And I really like the way it looked. My videos are now brighter, and I like the effect of the light. I'm so happy I got this one. So guys, this is where I'll stop talking so you guys can enjoy this tutorial till the end. If you want me to review your products, you can send an email to me, glitterspolish15@gmail.com. I'm going to respond to you, and I'll be doing a review of your product as well. I have a video that was supposed to go up before this. I'm sorry I couldn't edit it, and this has to go up before that one. I promise that will be the next one that will be going up. So till next time guys, enjoy the music. This music I'll be playing from Christine Udo. She's also a YouTuber based in the UK. Thank you guys. Till next time. Bye.
Baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. My long room sorrow me die, yo, with you, oh. Baby, all I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, falling, yeah. And I'm calling to you, calling, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting that addicted, although I'm getting addicted to you.
Mystic Empire.
Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no, it's impossible, yes, you quit. But with God by my side, I can do all things. I've got joy, unspeakable faith, unshakable peace, untouchable fire of the Holy Ghost. You can spoil the way that I'm feeling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling, hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, and living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, we got strength. I feel good, I feel blessed. A big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ, yeah. Feeling like $1,000,000. Friday night, let's have some fun. Call your friends and sort it out. This life is one, so we toast to the good life. Every minute's the full, cause I pull up open doors, then it's suicide. 16 bad whoop and they all by the poolside. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now, hey, I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling, too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, enough strength, feel good and feel blessed. Big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ.
Mystic Empire.